Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Zorua in Pokémon Legends Arceus. To begin your hunt, travel to the Alabaster Icelands. This elusive Pokémon makes its home specifically within the Bone Chill Wastes. You'll find it at a consistent spawn point, often lurking near a particular cave entrance. Prepare for a chilly adventure as you seek out this powerful variant. Before engaging, ensure your team is well prepared. A strong lineup, with Pokémon at level 60 or higher, is highly recommended for this challenging encounter. Approach Alpha Zorua with caution, using stealth to get as close as possible without being spotted. When it's time to throw, prioritize using Ultra Balls or Gigaton Balls to maximize your chances of a successful capture. During the battle, focus on carefully weakening Alpha Zorua. Employ non-damaging status moves like Sleep or Paralysis to make it easier to catch. Be mindful of its health. Avoid using attacks that might cause critical hits or deal excessive damage, as you don't want to accidentally knock it out. Once its health is low and a status condition is applied, deploy your best Pokéballs. Congratulations on catching your Alpha Zorua. This powerful Pokémon boasts excellent base stats and can learn a variety of unique moves, making it a fantastic addition to any team. It evolves into the formidable Hisuian Zoroark, a ghost and normal type, offering a unique type combination and strong offensive presence. For those looking to improve their financial literacy, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.